Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what fits in my niece mini. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber, and welcome if you're new to my channel. I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. On this channel, I normally share a word of the day. Sometimes I share it in the beginning of the video. Sometimes I share it at the end of my video. We're currently dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, so I want to share with you guys a verse from within the Bible. I'm going to be reading John chapter 16, verse 33, which reads, "These things I have spoken unto you, that in me ye might have peace. In the world ye shall have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world." And that passage speaks so much. Those words, what is said, is so powerful. And I just felt like I had to share this with you guys. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. And like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what fits inside my Louis Vuitton niece mini. If you saw this unboxing, then you know what the inside pretty much looks like in this bag. I shared about the leather on this bag, and I also shared an entire video on how I tie the ribbon on this bag. So yeah, now I'm just gonna show you what fits inside. I love this bag, guys. Like, take a look. And how cute does this look with this outfit right here? I'm not sure how I want to do this. I have the items in here. I can pull them. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take all this stuff out and I'm gonna put it in and show you all the stuff I have as I talk about them, putting them in. Okay, so first I want to show you this Samorga organizer that I have. I love this right here. I actually have a code that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in the description box down below if you want to purchase this. This was $39, and with the code you do get 20% off, and it is good for the rest of this year in 2020. So I like this organizer because it has this little divider right here. If you plan on using this not as a handbag but as like a toiletry bag, you can put like your lipsticks here, your perfumes here, maybe a couple wipes right here. Like if you're using makeup wipes, you can put it here. You can put, I don't know, you can fit a lot in here, and I like this because, like I said, it's an organizer. And the other good part about this is this actually comes apart if you wanted to. If you didn't want to organize it that way, you do have this empty area. If you want this not just as an organizer but something that just keeps your bag clean, I like having an organizer as well because it just keeps the insides of my bag clean. Yes, I like it to organize, but like I said, I just like it to keep stuff clean so that if I put like a lipstick in here and it falls, I don't mind if this gets dirty as much as I would mind if the actual bag gets dirty. And then this just goes in here. It literally just fits right in there just like that. And I'm gonna show you what fits. So I have these sunglasses, which I love. I got these from Amazon. I'm probably gonna do a whole video on these amazing products that I got from Amazon at such an amazing price. These are great if you just want to look bougie. If you want to look bougie, put on your monochromatic all black outfit and throw these sunglasses on. And listen, I love these with a cute bun. I have entire videos on like how to look elegant, but if you style your hair correctly with these sunglasses, these are just stunning. And I think they were $12 if I'm not mistaken. How affordable are those? But I love these and I bring them with me. It came with this cute little case with a keychain. This actually fits right back here, just like that. I stick this right in here. I'm gonna try to see if I can hold this in place. And then I have my cocoa butter stick. I love this if I don't have lotion or if I want to put this on my lips, because my lips do tend to get dry really quickly. So I have my 100% cocoa butter yellow stick. I put that right here, and then of course just some lotion. Who doesn't need lotion, especially when you're washing your hands over and over and over? You want to use this because and I use the Aveeno because your hands do get really dry. Like I said, I just love this one. And then I have this ColourPop lippy stick. I have it in the color Weekender. I like this one. It's a cute, nice, like blue undertone red. So this is the kind of lippy stick that would have your teeth looking so white. And like I said, this is from ColourPop. I think it was like $6. I like this one. And I just got it on my hand. This would go right in here. And this NYX lip liner in Nutmeg, I actually have that on my lips right now. I do get asked about my lippy, whether it's a lipstick, liquid lipstick, whatever it is. I do get asked about this. So oops. This one is just this lippy stick, and it's by NYX, and it's in the color Nutmeg. This fits right in this slot right here. And then I just always carry a little perfume on me. I don't wear much perfume, but I love this Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb, so I like to carry this mini size with me. Fits right in here. For some reason, I love to just bring my little chain that I just put right on the top on the handle, so it's easier to carry this bag. Like if I get tired, I just bring this gold chain. Let me take it out of here so I can show you. I just like to bring this little gold chain with me. I keep it in the bag. Why? I don't know. I just find it easier to keep it in the bag. I keep it in the bag, and this actually ends up taking up this spot right here. And more could definitely fit in here, but I don't really have to fit much in here. And then of course, just my cell phone. I put it right here, and I put the little, cause I do have this little, I don't know what you call it, but I have this at the end. So pop socket, that's what it's called. I just take this pop socket and I put it right on the outside, only because then I take my keys, which I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch in the monogram. I stick that right in the front of the phone. I stick that right in here. And then I actually take my key pouch in the Damier Ebene, and I just stick it right here. And all I really have in here are tons of coins, and I stick that right in here, and it fits perfectly, guys. And there's actually still a lot of room left. Like this whole section here, like I said, all I have is the gold chain, but other than that, that's all that's in here. So there's more room. You can fit, like if you are a snacker and you want to put bars in here, that would perfectly fit. And if you want to just put it on the top, because do remember that this area right here kind of has like a deep area, so it allows you the ability to put stuff on top and still have room. And that's really it. And then I just close it up and I go about my day. I love this thing, guys. This would look so cute with like some jeans, this cute little top tucked into some jeans, or this is actually a dress. Wear it as a dress, and this cute little piece, so much fits in it. It's so easy to carry it top handle, throw a strap on here. It's so easy to carry either as a shoulder bag or crossbody. You can do so much with this bag, and I would definitely recommend that if you don't have it yet, that you pick it up. If you have it on your wish list, definitely pick it up. It's a great piece. I would definitely recommend the organizer because, as you saw, everything is just in its place. And like I said, it just protects the interior of your bag. Like I mentioned, this organizer that I have in here was from Samorga, and I'll have my coupon code down below in the description box if you want to check it out. Hope you found this video helpful, especially if you're thinking about purchasing this bag. Please remember to be kind, be loving, be caring. Walk in peace and joy. Until next time.